Task force. All the name of money.
This na Pidgin Newsman about and reporting. On Tuesday, August 11, 2020, the Air Task Force operation of Lafia Dole don scatter Boko Haram terrorist camp where they keep their plenty property, come by some of their fighters for Yamudu along Gulumba, Ghana, Koshe, Borno State. They don't find out one Chinese company for Aba where they suffer the maltreat Nigerian workers. The male workers, they flog and they beat them anyhow, while the female workers, they force them, they nag their pekus where they call sexual assault. After way Upper Sharia Court for Kano State sentenced Yahya Sharif, the singer, to death because of saying talk against Prophet Muhammad, the leader of Boko Haram will be Shekau Don Yan say the court did wrong. And I hope Ango yarn this one on top their social media Twitter on Wednesday. The All Progressive Congress don't come out to Konya saying and lie. You say people when they yarn say the deputy governorship candidate for Edo State election will be Abdul Awudu give fake information to INEC. Yahya Sharif, the musician, where they sentenced to death by Sharia Court because saying talk against Prophet Muhammad. They don't chain him for underground cell for Kano prison and they don't allow him lawyer to see him. The River State Governor Webin Nyesom Wike don't dissolve the task force because of the illegal work on street trading and motor park after we they cause a bunga accident where a woman will get belly day for inside the motor. One young lady not agree go back her house again after we she go visit one man. Now the man I come out to Konya and say they meet themselves for one bar as they can't chop food, can't drink, can't enjoy themselves. Body can't touch body where they can't reach as they can't check the cruise. When they can't reach the money time, the lady not agree go back her house. The Nigeria Customs Service don't catch two Lebanese will be Dina Jihad Kali and Chap Sadin Will Mohammed because they carry $890,000 cash for Port Harcourt International Airport. Some members of the University of Lagos State don't invest the provoke for the chairman of the governing council and the pro-chancellor will be Dr. Wale Babalakin because in disgrace he can't remove the vice chancellor will be Professor Oluwatoyin Ogundipe. The people in Nigeria lockdown housemate will be Eric we don't come out to Yano say Negi and also say they don't they bath naked for inside bathroom. The organization Igbo don Yano say the people of Southeast say they want president in 2023 and they not want breakout as Biafra. And at the president of Anambra chapter will be Chief Damian Okeke Ogene. Now he had this talk on Tuesday, August 11. One driver on Wednesday don't hit one woman a runner as the woman moved by when she dey cross Okpoko Junction on the Oka Expressway. And Mr. Andrew Kumapai, the commander of the Federal Road Safety Corps for Anambra, now he and this Begete give the news agency of Nigeria. The General Court Marshal for Abuja don't sentence one Nigerian soldier who be Lance Corporal Ibrahim Babangida for 55 years imprisonment because he moved by one WHO worker who be Bello Ali. You can't utilize in car for Anchor local government area Zamfara State 2014. This na Pidgin News Network with the young Pidgin English and na me MC Nehi the man about and 9 the yarn so make una get to Bonge Day.